about the BSM, the Business Studies and Management. The first chapter is Nature and Significance of Management. Do you know what is the meaning of management? Management is consist of the equation manage plus a man plus T. That is management. It means that managing the people tactfully. That means wholly. It means, do you understand? Did you get my points? Managing the people tactfully or completely. The definitions are, the universal definition is that, no doubt, management is the art of getting things done through others. Can I repeat it? Management is the art of getting things done through others. The definition is given by Kuntz and O'Donnell. Okay. The another definition is the management is the defined as the process of planning, organizing, executing, and controlling an organization operations in order to achieve coordination the human and the material resources with effective and efficiency. If now the two words comes arrive here, efficiency and effective. First of all, we decide the comparison the effectiveness and the efficiency. In the efficiency, it focus on the cost. Did you get my point? In efficiency, it focus on the cost. The work should be done with the optimum utilization of resources. But in the case of effectiveness, it focuses on time. Time means the work should be done in time. Let's discuss about manage plus man plus T, management. Managing the people tactfully or wholly. It means I have already discussed over here. The definition of the management is the art of getting things done through others. Did you get my point? You may take the screenshot of the pic and you may write down. Okay. The efficient. This is the comparison. The effectiveness. There is T. This is T for time, and the efficiency means cost. Okay. Start. Then next, the important point is the characteristics and the nature and the feature. This is all one thing. Nature, characteristics, and feature of management. I have coded for this the 9 elements. This dog, pig, car. I will show you later. Okay. First, the characteristic is management is a dynamic function. In the dynamic function, management should be dynamic. What do you mean dynamic? It should be changeable according to the environment change. Next one is management of operations. Management of operation means operation means there are so many operations in the business. That is finance, accounts, marketing, sales, everything. In the all segment, the management should be done. Next, management is goal-oriented person. The first focus. What is the focus of business? That is the profit. Though you have school, is the main objective is to the results. Okay, sorry. Then management of people. What do you mean manage people? It consists of people. No one man cannot be managed. Okay. Next one is your management is an intangible force. What do you mean intangible? Did you know the goodwill is an intangible asset that cannot be seen or cannot be touched. But management is an intangible force, but it cannot be seen, but it will be felt. Okay. Next, management is a group activity. Again, I will tell you that management is not an one-man activity; it is a group activity. Next, management is a continuous process. You know what do you mean continuous? Is no repeat. It will be walk, go by, grow, go by, go. There are 5 functions of management. We will discuss later, but I will just remind you. Okay. There is a 5 functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Okay. After the controlling, it will be start from the planning, and it will be ends with the controlling. Then I first have to start from the planning. That's why it is called a continuous process. Next, another feature is the management is all pervasive. What do you mean pervasive? Everywhere. Management is everywhere. Means in the school, in the cinema hall, in the tuition, in theater, and everywhere. Everywhere you have to go, management should be there. Okay. Next, another point, last but not the least, management of work. What do you mean management of work? Management is the complete work of the managers That means manager of what? This is the coding for the characteristics of management. D O G dog, pick car. This is the code word. Nothing foolish. There is the 9 elements of the management. Manage dynamic function, manage operations, goal-oriented, people, intangible force, a group activities, continuous process, all pervasive and vocal. You may take the screenshot of the every one page. That should be helpful to the future. Okay? Take a snapshot. Next important topic is the objective of management. There are 3 objectives of management. First of all, how do you know this? I coded in the POS. You know, point of sales. Okay, but it doesn't matter. It is a coded. P for personal objective. Okay, O for organizational objective, and S for social objective. Okay, did you get my point? Personal, organizational and social. First we will discuss about the personal objective. What do you mean personal? In the sense of personal means the employees. They have the only 2 needs. One is the financial needs and the social needs. In the financial needs, they may need the competitive salary and other perks. Okay, what do you mean perks? Perquisites, house allowances, medical facility and another thing. In the case of social needs, they need the promotions, manager to assistant manager to manager, manager to CEO. Okay, that's it. Then in the growth and development, automatically they may growth and develop. Then another fact is the organizational objective. In the organizational objective, there are 3 stages in an organization. First is growth and first. Sorry. It first of starting for the survival, then profit and growth. But I coded the GPS. But first starting for the survival, then profit, then growth. The first level is survival. What do you mean survival? At first the business started, they may face the many maximum problem, and they not recover the only cost right. They recover only the cost right, not on the maximum profit. But in the case of profit, they may go to normal profit. In the case of growth, they may add on the next another branch. Okay, did you get my point? Next, last but not the least, the social objective. In the social objective, because of management is born through the society, so this is the main objective for the society. The first one is the environmental friendly method production. The business should be products the environment friendly goods. Next one is the second thing is employment opportunity. The business should be made for the employment opportunity. Like as the Jindal and the Tata, they may establish, but they also employ the local people. Okay. Then last features in the basic facilities like schools. If the Tata established here, he may met the schools and the hospitals and many more. Okay, I discuss about the objectives of management, POS. Okay, personal objective, organizational objective and social objective. Let's discuss here. Personal objective, there is the financial needs and the social need, competitive salary and perks. Already I have discussed, basically just go through the. Then organizational objective, you did the to remember GPS. Okay, GPS, but it is the complete first stage is survival, next profit, then growth. Got it my point? First survival, then profit and growth. The social objective, environment friendly methods and production, environment friendly. Okay, then employment opportunity and the basics facilities like schools and the hospitals.